Alright, so I have all of these fibers ready to go. Tons of different things. I've got some add-ins. I don't know which I'm going to use yet. I think I'm going to start by putting colors together in layers. So add-ins want to go in this first carding. Whatever sparkles are currently in the carder, and just go right into this. I put my clamp in the wrong place. So this right here is Cheviot. So now I want to go with, I'll just go ahead and put this little bit of undyed Texel ram that's hand combed. Put that through here. I only have this little bit, so it'll just get dispersed through all the bats as I go. And then divide this Gulf Coast. I think I'm going to want 2 layers of that on here. What I want is a real buttery golden color, buttery style golden color with sparkles. I've got some combed top, the Texel. Again, most of this is Texel. Just going to keep layering on colors. They will get fully blended later on. Start putting, well, let's put this dark one in here now. Yeah, I'm going to go right into this really, I don't know how I did this. There we go. Really light yellow. It's kind of a butter color. Yellow bat. And then I've got some more dark Texel. I have a feeling this is going to be way darker than I wanted it to be. So I might actually change gears when I take this one off, this bat off, and do things just a little bit different. Let's go ahead and take this off. Just see. Ooh, that looks pretty. Woohoo! Wow, that's gorgeous. I think I want to spin this one just like this. I was going to blend it more, but I really like how that turned out. changing gears, we're going to card all these little hand-combed nests into the carder. We're not going to worry about color, we're just going to put them on. And then I'll have something I can actually figure out how I want to split it and blend it and all that. So I didn't really explain a whole lot. So while I am carding up these little nests into one huge colossal bat, I thought I would first of all welcome you. If you're a new viewer, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave any comments, suggestions, feedback, questions down in the comment section below. I do love hearing from all of you. So I packed this on the carder. Like, I had a hard time getting it to fit, and these were just little hand-combed nests. I think I had 3 different colors, and I had combed these before I got my hackle. It was a lot of combed nests, and I had the dickens of a time getting it to fit on the carder. But I managed, and it's a colossal bat. It was huge. I think I had to divide it into like 8 or 10 sections just to be able to feed it through the carder later. It was crazy. You can see it's like wanting to come off the carder in every direction, not just peeling back. It's huge. So then I am carding the comb top I'd made, the textile top that I had made on my hackle after getting that. And that made a much more reasonable bat. And then I went through and I carded the remaining Cheviot top. And then I took those all and I laid them out on the floor and I divided them out into an equal number of pieces each. The first bat that I made, the little bright yellow Gulf Coast bat, and the 2 bats that I'm working on here, each of the bats that I pre-carded, I divided them into equal number of sections. I ended up with a total of 7 bats. So I put them all through the carder twice. And I did add some white to the commercial comb top to lighten up the whole blend a little bit, and I'm glad I did because I'm loving the color. So anyway, I ran this through the final bat with all the pretties and sparkles and stuff. I ran through the carder twice and then it was done. Usually when I do this, after doing the first, what I call the pre-carding, which is what you're seeing now, and I'm ready to make the official bats, I will do the first pass on every single bat, and then I will divide them all up, mix them up, and card them again. This time I did things differently. I did the first pass on one bat and immediately put it back through the drum carder. And I did that with each bat. So they're not going to be identical, but I don't care. I wasn't going for 100% identical and even and perfect. I was going for pretty and fun and get something done. So here is where I am creating the bats. So taking a strip of each pre-carded bat and feeding it through the drum carder, adding Firestar. In this case, I'm using Rainbow Firestar and then Silver Angelina. Putting more layers on, a little bit more Firestar. And this order that I do things changes with every single bat, which is fine. They're not identical, they're not perfect, not 100%, but I didn't care. I just wanted to get these bats finished, and I am loving the results here. Look at the sparkle and the tonal variations and the creaminess. I'm just, so in love. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.